Hello and welcome to all of you on my productive and skill-oriented training platform. In this demo, we are going to create CSR certificate signing request on the platform of Windows 11. You can follow the same steps on Windows 10 and all server operating systems when you are dealing with the Microsoft platform. So let's move and type MMC in the run menu and hit enter. Now click on the yes button and the window will be appear, and inside the window you just need to add the certificate authorities, and for that purpose you need to click Control M, and from here you can select the certificates and computer account, hit enter, finish, and OK. Now the certificate is appeared over here. I click on the certificate option. Here I have the personal option, and inside the personal options, all certificates exist over here. So I click on the personal options, and from the right click option, I have all tasks option. And here advanced options and create custom request. Click next. Now in the next window, we just need to hit next button. And in the coming options, we will definitely find all kinds of options regarding the CSR creation. Now from here in the drop down list, I need to select the legacy key and click next. And in the next window here, I have the details option. So I need to click on the detail option and select the properties. Now I need to type the friendly name for the CSR. So my domain name is StakeWorld. So I just use the same name, test CSR, and click on the subject option. Now here you can see inside the subject options, I have all the options which we require for the creation of CSR. So I just click on the common name because it's used for the DNS. So here I type my domain name, which is takeworld.com, and just add button. Now I need to select the country for which I want to create the CSR, and this time I have the USA. Now I select the locality, and my locality is Davie. And further, I need to select the other options. Here I have the state, and in my case, the state is Florida. And now I need to select the organization. Organization is same, take world, add, and the last option is here, organizational unit. So it's IT. So these are the options which require for the CSR creation. Now I need to click on the private key because it's the really important part regarding the security. And in this option, I need to click cryptographic service provider. And I just need to uncheck this option and find the key type. And here inside the key type, I need to select the exchange because it's a website certificate. So client, for the purpose of client and server communication, I need to select the exchange option. Now, show all options, and from this list, I need to, let me uncheck this. It will filter. Yeah, here I have the Microsoft RSA as channel cryptographic provider. I need to click on this option because it's used for the CSR creation. And now I have the key option here. So here you can see, you can select the size of the key. So in my case, it's 2048. The other important option which you really need to select is that make private key exportable. So in any case, if you want to export your certificate from this machine to other machines, so it will be really useful. Now click apply and OK. So now I click next, and it will ask me about the path where I want to save the certificate. So hit browse, go to the same location, documents and CSR. Now here I type take world dot CSR. Okay. And here I need to select the path for the purpose of verification and hit enter, save and finish. Now my CSR is created. If you want to verify, so just type the same path over here, and here you need to find the CSR file over here. If I want to open it, so you need to open it with the help of Notepad, and here we go with the CSR file. So you just need to send the CSR file to your certificate vendor. It might be GoDaddy, Cloudflare, or any other vendor, and they will provide you the exact certificate. Thank you very much.